Okay, I'm gonna show you how to install these lights into the Mini T body. I just lowered the lights so you can see better. Okay, first let's remove the body. In this case, we're gonna use the Dremel tool, but you can do this same thing using an X-Acto knife, even a kitchen knife. You're gonna see the process and you're gonna realize that it's so easy. Some people use this disc. I prefer to use this small bit. It gives me more control. So what we are gonna do now, I'm gonna figure out where to cut it. I think I'm gonna do it there, not on the other edge. So let's do a small cut of about 5 millimeters wide, a quarter inch. And it doesn't have to be very thick. You can maybe 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeters will be more than enough for you to pass the light strip through there. So I think it's okay there. I can touch it later. Okay, let's try to pass the light. This light is about 2 millimeters thick, but the yellow thing you see there is flexible. It's like gummy. So you can just push it in and it will pass through. Just don't do as I did here. I recommend you to remove the blue tape cover because that's gonna be quite hard, as you're gonna see in this next step. I just don't want to remove the whole light. So I'm gonna try to remove this blue tape like so. Strangely, this is the hardest part of the whole process. Okay, now let's see how long we want it to be. And remember, you can cut the edges of the light strip in order to make it look more a curved shape on the end, so it doesn't look that square. So what do we do with this excess? We can cut it off, or you can just plug the lights right in and then black tape it, or heat shrink it, or paint it black if you want to. Otherwise, if you don't care, just leave it like that. That's it. Just figure out where you want to pass the lights, and that's pretty much it.